Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how to avoid AI similarity. Avoiding plagiarism and minimizing AI similarity requires a thoughtful approach to sourcing, interpreting, and presenting information. To begin with, it is essential not to resort to the direct copying and pasting of text from the internet. Instead, strive to articulate the information in your own words, demonstrating a clear understanding of the context. When it comes to evading AI similarity, it's crucial to be mindful of the tools you employ. Refrain from using specific AI tools such as ChatGPT, Bard, and other similar platforms. These tools can inadvertently introduce similarities in your content. Similarly, steer clear of relying on rephrasing services like Quillbot, as they may contribute to AI-generated resemblances in your work. Additionally, be cautious about depending on Grammarly for sentence enhancement, as it too can result in content similarities with AI-generated text. For an effective video commentary, it's recommended to synthesize the insights gleaned from various journals and related articles. Express these insights in your own words, showcasing your unique understanding and interpretation of the information. By presenting the content authentically, you not only avoid plagiarism but also minimize the risk of unintentional AI similarity. This approach ensures that your commentary is a genuine reflection of your comprehension and analysis, enhancing the credibility of your work. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comments section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.